Top 10 luxurious jets and aeroplanes. 1. Gulfstream G700, ultimate luxury with spacious cabins and technology. 2. Bombardier Global 7500, long-range performance with unmatched luxury. 3. Dassault Falcon 10X, revolutionary comfort and performance in jets. 4. Boeing Business Jet 747-8, unrivaled luxury and customization. 5. Embraer Lineage 1000E, elegant design and versatile travel experience. 6. Airbus X320neo, comfort, efficiency, and customization in air travel. 7. Cessna Citation Longitude, modern design and elite amenities. 8. Honda Jet Elite 2, compact luxury and advanced technology. 9. Bombardier Challenger 650, sophisticated design for business travel. 10. Lockheed Martin LM100J Hercules, luxury and utility combined.